what do I want to create? What do I want to bring to this world that's going to impact this world in a positive way, right? And the more that you can communicate what that vision is and reflect on it, each day the vision's going to get clearer.
My name is Amida Jones. Music is my passion. It's what I want to do for the rest of my life. My vision is to be a successful artist, touring all over the world, to have albums, plaques to put on my wall, music that I've made that's been able to touch the hearts of everyone I know.
My name is Cabello. I like music, that's why I'm here. I play basketball, football. I know that this would be a great opportunity for me. I really just want to see what happens with the song we're making right now.
You know, like, what could this song be about? You know, write a couple thoughts. Doesn't have to be lyrics today. Just at least pull the theme of the song. Okay. Yeah, once you guys pull the theme, then you guys can come back and we'll keep working.
Okay. My name is Kenya Saray. I am 17 years old. I am a drummer, I am an entrepreneur, and also a clothing brand owner. I want to become a performing artist. Whatever that entails, that's what I want to do, and hopefully this camp will give me the strength and the necessities needed so I can pursue that goal.
I'm CJ. I'm an athlete. I like music. I'm here at this camp basically to like learn a couple things about music that'll help me in my career.
So
fun.
Without your love, I cannot live. But you're no good for me. Baby, I promise I ain't